What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Payton, and today I'm back with another video. As y'all have read by the title, today's video is actually a little bit different. I actually got some medium boho knotless braids using this really bomb human curly hair from Lockbraids, and today I'm here to show y'all why I think this is the best human hair to use for your knotless braids. So let's go ahead and get started.
You know what I really hate? But y'all not listening to that conversation. I don't know, it just felt like so satisfying.
In today's video, I'm going to be using this deep curly bulk hair. I got 3 bundles of 22 inches. It was 100 grams per bundle. I got the bundles in a color 1B, and these bundles are actually 22 inches, 100 grams per bundle. And this is their human hair that's used primarily for box braids, knotless braids, or any type of braids or crocheting styles. They sent me 3 bundles, 100 grams of each, and I just wanted to show you guys how thick the hair is. They also sent some goodies with the hair. They sent 4 clips. They sent an edge brush with a double-sided end. Also sent some colorful braid beads and a crocheting tool. So if y'all watch my channel regularly, y'all know I honestly don't usually get braids in my head. This is my first time in months getting braids, so I had to go to my girl Adriana. I'm gonna put her braiding page right here to get my natural hair braided. It's summertime, y'all. I need some braids. I need to get rid of my wig, forehead tan, and we got Lockbraids sending us the bomb human hair curly bundles. Okay, y'all, the last time I got boho knotless braids, I got synthetic hair from Amazon, and it was the worst experience of my life. I just had to let y'all know it was so terrible. And starting off this process, I could already tell that it was going to be a different experience because of how soft and smooth the hair felt. And you already know Adriana was telling me that the curly hair seemed like it was good curly hair that was going to be easy to maintain, because boho knotless braids should be easy to maintain, and the last time I got them, it was so terrible. It was so hard. But as y'all can see, all she is doing here is gripping a small section, putting some edge control on that section. She begins the braid. She takes the synthetic pre-stretched hair and kind of just throws it in with my natural hair, and then also takes some pieces of that curly human hair and just mixes it in with the braid so that each braid can have a little bit of a human hair curl. Okay, to me it looks really, really nice. This is her halfway through my head. So this is me just basically showing y'all a little sped up version of what she's doing. I don't know how to braid my hair myself, so my only option was to go to someone else and pay them to braid my hair, and I think she was a pretty great pick. So I'm just gonna let you guys continue watching her do this, and then we'll come back for the final product. And I'm just including these up close shots for you guys, just in case anyone wants to learn a little bit of a DIY. You start off with your natural hair, you throw in the synthetic hair, and you add small pieces of the human curly hair from that human hair bundles. And she is using that Lockbraids hair, and the synthetic hair that she's using is the outre pre-stretched hair. I actually used pre-stretched hair in a color 2 to match my natural hair, but the human hair bundles were color 1B, which to me blended pretty seamlessly. I don't know why, but for some reason I thought it was gonna look really bad, but I still think it came out really nice and natural. And it's funny too, because since I've been posting myself with these braids, some people have thought that I was wearing a wig, because I have been doing a lot of boho knotless wig reviews recently. So no, you guys, this is not a wig. This is my natural hair with some pre-stretched outre expressions, synthetic hair, and the Lockbraids deep wave human hair for the bohemian girls. So yeah, y'all, the last thing I'm gonna say is, if y'all want to have easy maintenance for your boho knotless braids, y'all need to get this human hair. Okay, do not use synthetic hair, do not use no yaki hair, get human hair. And I believe that this is the best human hair to get, because since I've had these braids in, I've been just getting up and going. I honestly feel like it's not as high maintenance as the synthetic hair, and to me it looks better, it feels better, and so many people have been complimenting my braids. and asking me what hair I used. And I tell them lock braids. So this is basically when we got to the end of the boho braids. It honestly only took her about like 4.5 hours to finish. And here is where she dips my ends. She did use some flexi rods and dipped them in some boiling hot water to help them set. And honestly, truly, this was a really quick and easy process. Obviously, I was just sitting there, but she also did my edges super duper cute. I was honestly kind of shocked how she made them look so cute and like different. I can't do that shit myself. And yeah, this was basically just finishing up. And here was the final result. I thought these braids looked so freaking cute, y'all. Like, I don't know why I was so stiff. I was kind of like scared to move because I felt like I was gonna mess up my hair or something. I'm just not used to braids. I'm not used to natural, but honestly, having this human hair in with these braids made me feel way more comfortable and less liable to struggle like I did last time. If y'all saw my Bali vlog, I was struggling with that fucking synthetic hair, y'all. But this human hair, so freaking cute, so freaking soft, so easy to maintain, and just look at how high quality these braids look. And I feel like the color, even though it's a 1B, it matched perfectly with the number 2 pre-stretched synthetic hair, and the braids just came out so freaking cute. So shout out to Lockbraids and shout out to Adriana. Make sure y'all check the description box for more information, or both. Honestly, this is how much hair I had at the end of the session. She didn't really use that much of the deep wave hair, so when I went home, I honestly truly wanted to add some more. So I used the crochet tool that they sent me with this pack, and I started taking little strands of curly hair one by one, and I'm going to show you guys how I added more boho curls to my braids. So basically, you take the tool, push it through the braid, take the curly hair and loop it through the end, close the tool, pull it through the hair, make that little loop like that, and then pull the 2 ends of the curl strand through it, and boom, you tighten it and it looks like that. Some of my crochet boho curls were not as tight, and I noticed if I just used one piece of the strand instead of both ends and put one through the loop, it made it tight. Some of them stayed with both ends, some of them stayed with one end. I hope this explanation is easy to comprehend if you are a beginner. I was a beginner and it honestly took me like 5 minutes to kind of get it down packed, and when I was messing up, it was just simply the curl going through the braid. But you know you'll do it right because the curl will stay in the braid and it won't like slip out. And yeah, it might take a little while to get it, but it's really not that hard. It's definitely something you can do at home. So I don't know why they be charging so much extra for boho knotless. Like, girl, I could just get knotless braids for the regular price and just add the boho hair at myself when I'm at home. Nah, I'm just kidding, y'all, because I didn't pay that much to get my hair done. But that is true. You really could do this yourself at home, especially if you know how to braid yourself. Then this might be even easier for you. So I went the extra mile, and I'm gonna give you guys my little hack for how I make my edges look a little bit thicker. Honestly, truly, because I like my forehead to look smaller. So I take these little edge extensions, I'll link them down below, I get them from Amazon, and I put some Bond Baby basically directly under where my edges are, and then I apply the extensions basically right underneath it, and then I start to use some edge control to manipulate the edges. And as you guys can see, I already had hair out, my actual edges out, so I just basically layered my natural edges on top of the fake edges to make it look super duper natural. And I trust me, y'all, like nobody ever knows, and I'm just putting y'all on because if I was to put the full public on, people would be like, you're crazy, why are you doing that? But hey, big-headed girls understand, okay? I want my forehead to look smaller, and edges is the easy way to go, but I don't have enough natural edges to make my face look smaller, so this is what I do. So finally, this is how the hair came out with the additional curly hair and my little small forehead hack. I love all the different hairstyles that I can do with these boho knotless braids, y'all. I did a cute little half up, half down. This was honestly one of my favorite little hairstyles to do. I feel like it looks super dreamy, super beachy, super girly, and just like the perfect vibe for the summer. I also did a side part. You guys already saw the middle part. I don't know why, but to me the side part is giving super sexy girls night out vibe. Definitely one of my favorites to go out. The high ponytail is super flirty. And then I went ahead and showed you guys what the hair looks like with a high bun, which is my favorite style for the gym. I honestly love how using this human hair, curly hair, makes styling the hair so much easier because you don't get any tangles like synthetic hair. Shout out to Lockbraids, y'all. 10 out of 10. I 100% recommend using human curly hair for the next time y'all get some box braids or some boho knotless braids. Let me know what y'all are thinking about these braids in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.